Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your Gmail is active and secure. Enable two-step verification on Google if you can, because Telegram will trust that extra layer. Next, update Telegram so the Google sign-in option appears. Open Telegram and choose Login. Enter your phone number to trigger the standard flow. This primes the account. Once done, watch for a log in with Google or link account button. Using your phone first speeds up account matching and prevents duplicate accounts. Now, when you see Login with Google, tap it and pick the Gmail address you want to attach. You'll be asked to grant Telegram permission to verify your identity. Allow only the minimal scopes it requests. If the app doesn't show that option, instead open Settings, choose Privacy and Security, and use Link Google or add an email for account recovery. This links the address for login and reset. Make sure you accept verification, prompts in both Google and Telegram, to complete the handshake. Finish by confirming the link. Open the Gmail confirmation or approve the Google sign-in prompt. Telegram will then accept Gmail as an authentication method. You should sign out and test the login with Google Flow once so you know it works. If something goes wrong, recheck that Telegram is updated, revoke and regrant Google permissions, and ensure your Gmail isn't restricted by enterprise policies. One key tip: clear the app cache or try an incognito browser session if the Google button fails to appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.